I'm Rune. I'm Abella's mom, and I've tried a lot of learning tools. Some are basically digital worksheets. Some are basically games, with learning sprinkled in. And a lot of them show a score, but don't tell me what my kid actually knows. So when Abella told me she was doing missions for math, I was skeptical.
Mom, it's not a game, it's a mission, like a real challenge.
Okay, show me. Here's what surprised me. ZillyPlanet doesn't distract kids to keep them playing, it engages them to keep them thinking. Before Abella jumps into mastery, she gets a short lesson, just enough to remind her what she already learned. Then she can explore it in interactive MathLabs, where she can test ideas and actually see how it works. It's not a long lecture. It's the right reminder at the right time, so she's ready. Another thing that changed everything for us? ZillyPlanet personalizes missions to who your child is. Abella picked what she loves, animals. So her missions started showing up as real-world scenarios she actually cared about.
Mom, I'm helping a wildlife rescue.
And that's the magic. The math isn't floating in space. She's using it for a reason. Measuring, comparing, planning, problem solving. So she's not only interested, she understands why she's using math and how it works in real life. It's engagement with purpose. Not distractions, not random game stuff. Just the right story wrapper to pull them into the thinking.
Wait, if I do it this way, it won't work later.
That's what I want. Critical thinking. She's not just guessing, she's already explored how it works, tested ideas, and now she's applying it. Not memorizing steps, not guessing until it says correct, real reasoning. Inside missions that make kids want to continue. A lot of programs teach one skill at a time. Kids get good at that one thing, and then everyone moves on. But ZillyPlanet mixes questions on purpose. So Abella has to pull from what she learned before, connect ideas, and use skills together, like real problem solving. That's how it validates mastery. Not just a streak, not just a feeling. Proof she can use it when it counts. And it doesn't stop when a lesson ends. ZillyPlanet brings practice back later, so kids keep skills strong over time. Because real mastery isn't, I got it once, it's, I still have it.
Oh, I remember this.
So, it's a mission with goals, and you have to think your way through it?
Yep, and it changes when I'm ready.
Okay, that's actually pretty cool.
That's Abella's dad. He loves building things. He acts like he's not impressed, but he's absolutely impressed. Now, let's talk about the parent portal, because this is huge. I don't need a mystery score. I need to know what Abella understands, what she's missing, and what helps next. ZillyPlanet gives real information, plus guidance I can actually use. And I love this. I set the rewards, because I know what motivates my kid. Z-coins become meaningful because they connect to our family, not a random prize store. And the portal also gives offline tips, simple ways to practice away from screens, so learning sticks. And this is just the beginning. MathLabs are already helping kids explore how things work, and we're expanding into even more real-world interactive experiences. Not just word problems, not pretend scenarios, real situations where math has a purpose. Math is first, science is being developed right now, and engineering and technology are coming later. So this isn't one subject, it's a growing, learning world.
Mom, I passed the mastery check.
I saw. You earned it. ZillyPlanet feels different in our home. Less arguing, more focus, and more confidence. Missions that keep kids engaged, and learning that holds up later. If you want learning that's personalized, built on critical thinking, and designed to validate real mastery, welcome to ZillyPlanet.